So in this scenario, we have Wombat actors and we have Leaf actors, and you can see both of these classes on the right hand side here. They both are existing inside of the Wombat world, which is just some sandy surface, and the Wombat has methods called move forward, eat leaf, and turn left. So I can invoke the move forward method by selecting it with the mouse. When he's on top of a leaf, I can get him to eat the leaf. Notice it's giving me two options, leaf or wombat. It doesn't know whether I want to use the leaf or the wombat, so you see two options here. I'm going to say eat leaf on the wombat, and you can see that the leaf disappeared. So let's take a look at the source code of this project. Inside the Wombat class, we have methods to move forward, we have a method to turn left, and we have a method to eat a leaf. So this method tries to get an object that is a leaf, and if it succeeds, it removes that leaf from the world, making it look like the wombat's eating the leaf. In our second project, our wombat gets an extra method called get leaves eaten. And you'll notice that this code has changed as well if you're looking very carefully. We have an extra line of code here, and it says that leaves eaten equals leaves eaten plus 1. As well, we have this line of code up here as well. So what that does is, and I'm going to create some leaves, new leaf, and get the wombat to move and eat a leaf, and I'm going to ask the wombat how many leaves he has eaten by invoking the get leaves eaten method, and it shows me that he has eaten 1. So if I try to eat another leaf and do the same thing again, we see that he has eaten 2. So this is allowing us to keep track of how many leaves he's eaten. That's what this does, and this is what's called a variable. This method here, you'll notice, has an int in front of the name, and that is because it returns an integer. So in other words, when I invoke it, I get back an integer. Not all methods give you back a value. You'll notice that for this method and this method, this one, they have a void return type. That means that they don't return anything. So, our learning goal for today is we're learning to select and use variable types according to their purpose in our programs. Our success criteria is I can choose appropriate types for the variables and constants used in my program. A variable holds a value. If a variable is declared as an int, it stores integer values. Methods with a return type of int return integers. Methods with a return type of Boolean return true and false values. Methods with a return type of void do not return a value.